Welcome back, Speak My Mind family. What's up, what's up? Well, I tell you, if the God we serve was anything like man, human being like ourselves, this world would be, I tell you, a crash world long time. Yeah, man. The God we serve, if we people, if God was like us, the world crash long time. Speak My Mind people, just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Please remember to watch the ads. And please remember to go over to the backup channel and give me a subscription over there if you have not yet subscribed. The link will pin in the comment section and it's also in the description. Just click on the link and subscribe to the channel. My people, only never tell me say Lulu I never done a mother. You don't have to make me come find out this myself for myself. No, sir. I can't believe my one nation family. Sometimes you out there now, you know more of me, you know. You can't give me a little hint, man. Make me know, man. You could I tell me say Lulu and that mother, you know. Because me never know. Because all along me hear Dana say, but I talk about her Lulu, and I give the history about her Lulu. To her Lulu, their yard, live a yard now. I only never tell me say Lulu and Dana mother. Why you couldn't tell me say Marcia Campbell Dana mother? Eh? All along me here she say her family them come from above rocks and ray. Me never see smoke without fire. I never know say Marcia Dana. So when Marcia get pregnant with Dana, because it kinda stay away, you know. Because she really don't know her age, you know. Because this minute she says she are soon 50. This minute she says she are 49. The next minute she says she are 53. So, me I wonder. Some people say she look like she about 70 odd. But if she are even 70 odd, I could do the maths. The biggest 70 odd would have been 79. And then, yes, she could have done a feature. Because the big 70 odd, you know. You can't say 72, 71, 73. So if you are going to do the maths, you have to say, all right, the tall is 70, which is 79, because after 79 are 80. And if Dana call it a 50 then. 50 from 79 or 29. So she could have done a feature. But before me get into the story, my people, I can address this one here. Suzette Green. You see one Marcia. Curly, TT, Split Justice. We claim to say you have your new name named Split Justice. And you always want to blame people who control and own them platform for control their supporters. All when them don't know who is the supporter in the comment section. You want them to control supporters. When most time I for the same people them on phone platform. We say them love you, we say them this and say them that. Those are the same people. We coming like crab. I run from one platform to the other platform and I type up. Some of them are come on a fake name. So all the platform all I know control people. But what? To them come from my platform, come comment. Whether them a comment, whether derogatively or whatsoever them a comment which is negative towards you, you want to blame the platform owner, which is what you do every day. Blame Dana for what people are typing a comment. And you have so much people, one special one named Honey Girl in your comment. This one your name Suzette Green. Where man a sex pan her like a bed. You understand? Yes, your man a sex pan you like a bed. And you know, take the time out to go look about that. The next one named Tanisha, what? Tashana sitting on that. I don't remember Tashana, yes. One little funny last name. I could all make them make up all them the name there. Because them have to go up on other platform. You understand? Tashana, you are gonna come and ask, oh, you don't know how people listen to Dana. Oh, you mean you don't know how people listen to Dana? Me understand what you say. Because if you cannot listen to Curly, you cannot listen to TT, aka Kakai, aka Everbless, aka Split Justice. What you mean when you are going to say, you don't know people listen to Dana? Let me tell you this. You, Tashana, if there wasn't only two persons left on earth, Marcia and Dana, for me to listen to, and the two of them are tutor me if go hell, because the devil is the best thing. Who you feel like more listen to? Me have to listen to Dana. Because you know the reason why? Despite the hell she a tutor me figure. And I say, boy, hell nice. Me know, in some way, shape or form, she gonna tell me, oh, forget around the devil. But you say, oh, you are listen to who inspire you and who motivate you. Nah, I gonna tell you that. Them I gonna tell you how to team up with the devil and how to come back for the rest of mankind where you left here. So if I have a choice to listen to any one of the two of them, I have to listen to Dana. So you can still continue to listen to Curly TT because she's teaching you well. And because she teach you so well, and because of all the motivation speech she give you and the inspire she inspire you, that is the reason why your man or your husband gets so much time for sex pan you like a bed, Tashana. That if you have one. Because someone up in a phone night and day and go no man this whole heap of time. If put girl for lie down on top of uno and a sex them. So uno coming like the bed. So uno ya see the girl ya and the man there on top ya so. Cause you come talk about with your outer, you don't know how our people them look listen to her. Or planka, you can't say planka nation them this, the planka nation them that. Look at Uno. Look who Uno want listen to. Listen, look who Uno have a motivate and inspire Uno. You understand? But here still Uno criticize who our next person choose to inspire and motivate them. Where the next person is more inspiring than who you are listening to. Why me I tell you no dangerous. No phone in a phone I claim to sound a big man, an elder, respectable. You understand? But someone that does age you don't have. You don't act on no age. You understand? Someone come like some old refuse clothes with Salvation Army and food for the poor refuse. And you know, so Salvation Army and food for the poor and refuse nothing at all because they must find someone who need the use of it. But guess what? Who is so old that the material will make you know. You understand? People have to refuse you know. And you know when people in desperate needs, them grab on and gravitate to anything, but them not gravitating to Uno. You understand? Uno have age, but Uno not learn and teach people nothing. How Uno not try to do no better in a phone. Where you can't say, boy, people can look on and say, yes, me like what me I see. Because most of the time, you know, when we go so boom and we go on a platform, on a page we have, someone has some big old retired woman. You know, say sometimes you have some nurse retired or you have some doctor retired, and when you're reaching a certain crisis and pandemic, the World Organization of Health request some of these retired nurse and doctors to come back in. Uno no have no request man. Uno done, uno finish. You understand? Because you don't have no real background for no age you don't have. Or no behave and act in a phone, man. Nobody would want to request on the back. Yeah, man. Enough time I see the platform showing up, man. I know some big elderly people. We know so you can't comment, you know, with some respect and something and comment and voice on opinion. But when me I say, how can you a walla in a mud like crab? But yet today I come cuss somebody else who a walla in a mud like hog. The only difference, you know, you a crab and me a hog. That's the only difference. You a crab and me a hog. But at the same mud we are walla in a, but you come cuss me. That is what me can't understand. Anyway, people, me get in a them platform wall of business now, you know. Alright, my people. One morning, Dana get up and she do one video. One morning, when? Monday morning. Yeah, I think I'm Monday morning, yesterday morning. And the woman come out and she talk and she voice her girls. As you say, at times when Dana in her mood, worse when she do all make her clothes falling up and whatsoever there, and she have time, she will throw little shades. We can't deny that. But as me always say, she have all right for throw her shades. If she now come out, come call nobody name, when she throw her stone, if the one stone want bust all 20 head or so. Because they are so much into AD business that sometimes when AD come out and throw her stone, she might throw it at a particular person within herself, you know, who she throw it at. But when you hear the amount of people are ball, you have to wonder if so much of them did a talk things pertaining to the stone where she throw. Because we say, you know, them can't ball out unless and feel offended unless them know, say, they are the person where they say, boy, your eye red. Oh, that shirt that she have on look good. And she come out and throw her shades pertaining to that. I only say you can't take on the argument unless within yourself you know you did say that. You understand? But without that, you can't say nothing at all. Because you're not guilty. So anyway, Eddie come out and she throw her shades. Lord God, Curly, pick it up. Now Curly, alright, put it this way. Curly supporter them not do nothing more than call her or text her and tell her how much AD over there this and AD over there throw shades and all them know say AD a throw shades. Pan Curly. If you call Curly. All them know what Dana has said pertaining to Curly and them Dana never call none of Curly nickname. Dana never call Curly name. So this goes to show again say nobody not send Curly nothing. Curly was just listening the live. Because me as your supporter upon the live and hear Dana throw shades. Nothing what Dana say is not clear cut pertaining to you when me could have known for our supporters. How me I call you and tell you? Lie! Curly was on the live, I watch it. That's simple, so. So, anyway, more on the listener. Just listen to my people. Because she gonna say, when she gonna listen to the live, it wasn't anything too derogative or anything odd. So that's why she come out here now, she not really going too hard because she think it was something that she had gone with herself over there. But when she really listening it, she was talking and throwing shades from many different peoples and ray and blah. But me know some of them are for me. Or you know some of them are for you. Because you're guilty of saying things, you're guilty of doing things pertaining to what the woman has said. So you just pick it up and say you. Which more than one owner has said same thing over and over. So I must you neither. But you're guilty of saying it. So you just tell yourself, say, yes, you are part of what she has said. Listen to me, people.
As I mean, in her video, she's stating that a lot of her supporters them reach out to her and whatever it is and go into gym. So, true, me never heard for myself. Me think say most of it was referring to him about gym. But when I realize she's talking about the supporters them who was going to gym when she inspired, because she couldn't inspire me. So she's talking about her supporters them when she inspired, because she couldn't get to inspire me. But she's been so hypocritical in the sense that talking about disability. Yeah, because you have to talking about what's up with your face? I'm just getting sick.
So she can't inspire you, but you want to inspire people and you want to inspire she. Look at you too.
No, say my grandmother is a full Indian woman. You know my auntie from above rock. You know Auntie Dasa.
See me tell you.
And it's a possibility.
Marcia,
Maybe
Dana
it's a
mother.
possibility. I don't know.
Above
Maybe
rocks.
know my grandmother, maybe no. My grandmother is a full Indian woman. So me get every shape for her. The Taylor family have them nice, sexy shapes. So you're being very hypocritical when you come on your page and you talk about
if your shape
how
so.
people are criticizing people and they shouldn't be body shaming. You body shaming enough time. From last year, but you body shaming.
I mean people, I see Stacey Campbell put up one picture as she talk about shape. I see Pim Pim put up one picture on her Facebook page. You see the same African print dress where she wear go her birthday upon the cruise. I don't know if Stacey gonna find that the woman there in her dress, one black woman in her same African print dress. Look like a it Marcia see and like and copy and come and go on like she in one expensive dress. And the dress no pass $30. The dress no pass $30. You understand? And when you look on the girl and maggle the dress, it all bring me back to when Dashanti go down at the store. Go look on go question the man if she want ambassador for the store. And when Dashanti look and see the mannequin have on the dress, where she a muggling and say she a muggle. And Dashanti ball out. But wait. But the mannequin look better in the dress than her people. She make the dress look like a shame. When you see that the dress upon the girl we are muggle it. Oh God, man. To look upon it when Marcia. Oh, the devil, man. Yo! The girl is supposed to want sue Marcia. May I tell you, because she make the dress look like it not try.
You body shame me before me even start body shame you. You are the first person to come on social media start calling people broad back and grey front. You make the names them. You are the one that makes the name them. You understand? You are the one that makes it. You are the first person who discriminate me. So when you talk about people should have off the limit, they're not going to come off the limit.
People, may I show you them people you are dons. When Eddie come and call people broad back and all great this woman and Ray. Eddie, we all know she make up her own words and her own names. We all know Eddie now come on phone come cuss like how she, Curly, would have come and cuss one mount of cloth where Pink's Fabric never sell so much cloth in them 40 years of history. You understand? So Eddie make up her own words to cuss. You understand? So when Eddie come out and say all grey back, and nobody shame, she body shame nobody. It's just her words she make up. You know, as a cuss word, not to say body shame. Because when she say all grey back woman, it simply mean so much I want to, as me I said earlier on, is of age in a phone. But you know, act like some little baby, some little pitney. So this is the reason why she say all grey back woman. She not criticize you say boy, your back hold down, hunch up, and you're grey. And like me, you talk about your front are grey for you must be 20 something or 30 something. So she can't tell you if your front not grey neither and red. It's just a cuss word to make up. It's not body shame nobody. You understand? Me see you come and talk about all leg black. Come on. 90% of the woman them we carry a certain amount of weight with them leg are rub. Even woman they even carry a certain weight, leg rub sometime and them leg between them leg black. You have some wear tights to prevent it. You have some use a certain cream, some use bleaching cream to get rid of it. While some just naturally goes with the flow. So you can't come use that and cuss nobody at all. Because many people with weight, and then you come and say, see, hand I'm in a black, sit down, hand I'm in a black, look at my son, look. And you turn down the camera, and nobody can see underneath you. Because it's like 3 inches away from your knee, yeah, sure. That's not underneath you. 3 inches away from your knee, and underneath you, and up underneath you, just before you reach your crotch. Most people leg rub and get black. You understand? So when you come and go out, and we know you cannot do that on the camera. Plus, you did have one big old red tights. Someone want to know which part up underneath the people could have see. But you just love hype for nothing at all and come and to your Africa than a name. No matter what she say, or when it not pertaining to you, or when it not, you not have to say nothing, just as you say, when you come and you listen to the live, which we don't know, so you listen to the whole live. From day one.
Because you have your words the way you talk to people. What do you think people are gonna say to you if you throw people off? When you talk about people must watch them pitney and this and pitney, you're the first person. You understand? So when you come and talk about body shame, no body shame, are you the first?
Then if you're a parent and you come out come watch me, you come out come watch that the person and that the person. When you have kids, well, it's your responsibility to watch them and make sure them do the right thing. What is wrong if you come out and say, what if you do is watch on a picnic? They don't know picnic enough for watch. And them on for watch, you know. A phone picnic and no responsibility to do that. And no cause your picnic or cause you about your picnic. She'll tell you what to do, don't watch she cause she know your picnic. So when you come and make it look like, okay, she come and tell people about picnic and then she had to go on like she motivate and she had this and she had that. You know take things out of context. You know misunderstand the whole situation. You know misunderstand the comment them when they make. And this I want to do every day.
You talk about bleaching, but all your friends them bleach. You understand me? So you can't you have to make some of the step too. No, make it filter tan.
So what kind of steps you make? Tell her friend them to stop bleach. It just come back to what me I say. She know the mama for her friend them. She only can ask them what them like, what them get out of bleaching or how them feel when them bleach or she can't ask them to stop. But if them don't want to stop, what she gonna do? Them are them own big people, them are spend them own money. And this is what you feel to understand. You know people, mama, you know people, parents. And as we reach of age, parents are responsible no more. The money can try to set certain things to if them see we are going the wrong road. But if we decide to continue the journey, we are going to continue. There's nothing you can do. Me am one big person now.
Come back for her. But I mean, she never speak in our us style way. She had give her little references and she had talk, but she had dropped plenty word. And the words them where I drop, I mean everybody already knows about them already. Those words them enough for me because I mean you already know said I have been showing my big belly. You know I come out all the while and push it out. When me go in front of my camera and push out my belly and push out and push out and push out. You know that. So those
you come out and push out your belly like you're proud of your belly. So you come out and you push it out because so you know the people that cuss about it. So you come out and you push it out to make it look like you're proud of your belly, but you're not proud of it. Because it make it in shape it bad. All when you go for do all a CT scan on your whole body and that the man there woman they will look through that the camera them supposed to run when them see your skeleton. You understand? So you are come out and show out your belly and make it look like you're proud of your belly. You're not proud of no belly, man. You might come on and cuss the woman about fat this and fat that. Me see you cuss the woman about fat yes so. And why do you do one video if you look on the thumbnail my people, you see me find the arrow. Master look like she have 3 crutches I walk with, 2 on her arm and the 1 on her foot. Because if you look on see me find the arrow and she come and pint out and down her arm you so the whole fat there. And when you look when she drop down her hand so and you look, you see one split betwixt the arm and the body. And to it fat it look like another crutches on both arms. So it look like a 3 crutches she have a walk with. And as she come out and cuss people about fat. But you don't want Dana come out, come defend herself. Dana now come out, you know. When time come today and say, boy, and what? You expect if you come out on the same day. You understand? But if you notice, Dana not pay on no mind. More than when sometime like oh, she in her mood now and she have full up her clothes and she depend on her life. Yeah, and them certain things come back to her and she just a flow her thing and she not talk to nobody individually at the time. She just have things just a come back to her and she just a say her thing and a chew her shit. Anybody it catch. If one stone want to kill 5 junker, it does kill 5 junker. Because we not kill no bird. You understand? Because we not like one bird to eat right now. We just get rid of a species of junkers. So if one stone want to knock down 5, 6, 7 junker, it just knock on down. Simple as that, man.
You know my sister Junior dressmaker? My sister is short and fat, but she look good. Everybody have fat people, everybody have flaws. You come out and justify and say, don't say, oh, everybody have flaws, them have yeah, one fix and this one fix. Make it never talk so before you can call me. Before.
Then in reality, everybody have them flaws, but someone go I couldn't have none. You understand? So what you try to say now? Dana fat but she no look good. No shades this here true now. When you go say this? When you just feel like people are idiot. And when they turn you on pound on a bar like some old hog in a pen.
On social media. You may be the dangle of a Mountain View area where you live, in a circle, but not in America. It's a full of fat people. You don't motivate nobody. You cannot motivate nobody unless they want to be motivated. Now most of the people where you follow back, they're going to stop no time soon. They're going to be stopping, just like yourself. Just like...
At some point, people at the exercise, them going to stop. At some point, people, even the athletes, them, at some point, them stop and take a break. At some point, them want to stop. But because of it being them profession, a part of them profession, them have to continue. So you're going to say, nobody should come. You talk for so many people live in America and you talk for so many people. And look, if you check the geographical area of Dana platform, our percentage is about 60% Americans. And you all see how much them comes out for her. So how you mean she can't motivate nobody in America? Speak for yourself. Yes, she's a queen to many. You understand? She's a motivator to many. Just like how some idiot cannot follow you and some other people when me soon have on social media going like say is all this. And you can show to the public via the internet sound is asshole. And people still cheering on. You understand? People have more sound effects, some gimmick, some joker, some clown. And you, Marcia, is the #1 clown on social media in that little circle, yeah. You understand? You are the #1 clown. And this is what people cheer you on for, not for motivating. More on to listen to all them people, you're a fool now, you know. Listen to the reason why she come to a conclusion why Dana do all this. So wait, Dana could have one wedding figure. And what kind of wedding Dana go? So she go lift up the bride. She go lift up the groom. Or she go lift up upon top of she the wedding I go keep. Why should I go through all of this exercise and gym thing and whatsoever? Spend so much money buying my gym equipment just because I want wedding? Listen how fool them people here is.
Me hear you saying in one video, say you got a friend wedding. Make you can't go to Canada something. It's a possibility that you're taking part in the wedding. Maybe as a bridesmaid or a maid of honor. You understand? And you're working out hard. Fit take part in the wedding. Fit go to the wedding. And then after the wedding you're done. Come on. That is about it.
Marcia, make this make sense now. Me see a Humpty Dumpty. I be bridegroom. What you call it? Maid. Me see man big like a bigger Ford. I be giveaway father. So why auntie that go through all this in just one wedding? Make it make sense now. You see, say Unicus company internet come chat one bag of crap. Bag of things when I really have no relevance, no have no substance. People can't see through it, and this are the people that when people sit down and listen to, and then when you are listen to people who teach you something or somebody where you can learn something from, supporters are asked, know how people listen to them. If can't listen to all people like Curly, just listen what she just say and the reason why she think Adia do all these exercise, spend so much money buy much equipment for one friend wedding. Because she might be taking part, she might be the bridesmaid. So she need to lose weight and go through all this? No, sir. And her mama married. And her sister married, this will be the case. And if you have to go do all of this to take part in one wedding, the wedding can't stay for me.
Eat grain. Especially with your size. You need to put hair out. And your leg close up together. Moisturizer. And it moist. You understand? That's why I know wear drawers coming out leak. So my pussy have to hair out and catch fresh air. You understand? It's a rub between, and when you rub between, your legs start get all kind of blocky. Me don't have no blocky on my leg. I don't have it. I don't have it. See, they're nice and pretty. You know what I see? Terrace, Clatita. Me not have no.
Yo, the one that show 3-inch away. The only just sit down and measure 3-inch away or 4-inch away from your knee to honor your crutches. And see how far it is to your crutches where she has show. So she not no blacky. Because we all know she can't go that deep. You understand? We know all she can't show because of the restrictions. But me not try to show you when them want to get them message across, them fix it and them terms it and them come and them talk them things. Show them word and fix things to suit themselves. You understand? These people is just a set of show me I tell you.
Change clothes every day without repeating it. I mean I drop out man. Because you know, say me just up and come alive. I mean I can tell you so you cannot blood clot beat me in that. Me not ask you. You cannot beat me in that. If I want to come and put on a different outfit for the whole year, you can't blood clot beat me in that. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. So nobody take up what you can't manage. Don't take up what you can't. Come me all the repeat clothes. Don't come forward and say
you have a right because most of your clothes are disposal clothes. Them cheap, so them can't even wear 2 times.
you put yourself in a financial situation. Me live America. Them have $10 clothes and $5 clothes.
I'm glad you accept it.
You understand? Me not ask you. Me go in a Pampy's restaurant the other day. And the lady, the owner woman said to me, come in, me and her good. She said, Marcia, but me never see you coming to this restaurant yet. I was even talking to a friend of mine on the phone.
You can't, if you check the equivalent of 10 and $5, you can't get clothes out here. So if a cheap and clean you talk about, of course you can't toe-to-toe with you. But then a clothes them carry expense. Unlike you, 3/4, your clothes them are cheap and clean. Just like how the frock where you mag up on your birthday, on cruise, you there going like say expensive, but you never know say people that find it. Less than $30 for it. But people that swear say it's expensive. And oh Lord, yes the print look good, but the dress not look good for you. Because of your shape, you know you want a diagram for twist you and fix you and set you in that address there. For make it sit down on you like how I see it sit down on the girl. And with the belly where you have. You should consider so that just the hood not gonna fit you. Because the dress is like a mermaid dress. You gotta talk about Dana can't beat you in a clothes and and you have how much clothes. It's a shame for come talk about you have suitcase of clothes so you come from cruise, suitcase of clothes long before you come from Jamaica. The whole of them is supposed to mildew and frozen and think. You don't want to enter all for your house. Because if you have clothes in a suitcase, from you there Jamaica the last time, from you come from cruise where you not take out, then the clothes supposed to mold and frozen and mildew up. When you bust a suitcase to your neighbor, them supposed to have wonder what kind of rat dead in your house.
You can't come out and change clothes every day. What kind of clothes? What kind of clothes are you gonna change? Eh? What kind of clothes are you gonna? You really would like to challenge me in a clothes? And me living in the United States of America, and I'm me then called cheap and clean? I'm me then called cheap and clean, you know?
Man say, you gotta be a pants and sneakers and Ray Dana wear. Probably one of Dana pants would have more expensive than 3 of your dress them. And man, I mean, you gotta say, boy, you wear pants too, but you don't wear pants a lot. You never can wear pants a lot. Cause you gotta look like an empty Pepsi bottle. You know, I not talk the plastic bottle them, you know them long time days glass Pepsi bottle. If you wear pants, that's so you gotta shape, Marcia. And you can't afford to show up your shape. So that's why you have to wear all these big type of clothes. For hide your big belly, your centimeter, and your diagram and your diameter twist where you have to wear big clothes to hide it. You gotta talk about, you know, Dana so and want ear out and wear because she fat. And your breast them want ear out too. And your arm, where me say come like you have a double crotch up here. Where fat where you come at talk about. Look here, see there, look on an arm. Look how that's a shape, look how it this. And when you go and drop your one amount of fat there, so you know see if you complain about, but you see Dana one. You understand?
It's gonna travel with a guy you. blood clot suitcase no pack out yet, you know. When me got Europe from last year, you know. The clothes them when me carry got Europe and pack. They be in my black suitcase in my room said we not touching them. Me not going at them, you know. When me got Europe, me not pack out no suitcase.
Nasty, nasty.
Suitcase when me carry got Jamaica Easter. You not pack out yet?
Nasty,
Me
nasty,
have
man.
how much bathing suit in there. Me have clothes in there and me have short style for nobody America. You cannot partner style. And nobody America. I'm telling you right now.
You know, more understand. All the other people who left Jamaica and get Americanized. All the other people who is on this type of platform who is American. What's the difference with America and Jamaica? Because these people just figure more and less say, we are the worst. Even the one that left Jamaica and get Americanized America, say them a citizen, them Jamaica a third world country. Downgrade them own country where them come from. You know what millionaire that Jamaica when they left go foreign all now and do have a partner. Some of them could probably have a passport. You know what millionaire and probably can say billionaire will live at Jamaica. You know what simple rich people live at Jamaica just simple and never fly come to America yet. So you not go and like say boy you live America. You understand? You not abandon Jamaica you live America. You know live far better life than Jamaicans. And the life you know live is no farmer luxury life. What do you see you go spend $56 on supermarket? And you push Charlie a show where you buy and see it expensive. Calculate $56. That can you buy 2 pack of my shrimp. 8,000 little bit for 2 pack of my shrimp. And calculate $56. It barely reach $8,000. And look how much things you get me see have a shrimp. A shrimp you have a show. And that can't buy 2 pack of my shrimp if you calculate it. And for sure you say, you're a big deal and you're hype and you have your money and you're this and you're going. Because so you're going now. And not even 2 days after, me see you at supermarket again a shop. We do a little handful of something. You're supposed to go supermarket, go shop for the week or the month, man. Because so that profile that you have, you know. And you come a downgrade Jamaican, we are going to shop for all the month of price smart. You understand? People are going to push all them trolley, go shop for the week and the month of price smart, go spend them much thousands of dollars. You come and go on like you're better off than.
You cannot pop no style by me.
You could live in the rat road and the cockroach house.
I'm glad you know that, so must stop call people this.
Nasty, nasty. Go ahead.
Corners are not telling you the truth. They're not telling you the truth. You discriminate people all the time. I mean, you first disrespect me now. Remember that. I would have never disrespect you.
Which part that not first disrespect you? More than when you come out and start talk about the play and downgrade the woman and the play and downgrade the play. Before you call the woman half here and say what you have to say to her and the fault where you find and tell her what you have to say. You come publicly. When you take up your phone and go up on your live and come publicly and downgrade something where the woman participate and take part in her. Where you left the public for say. As somebody will say, because you say you love say, I'm not a friend, you know, you're an acquaintance. Where you left the public for say?
She over there talk say. And I was included in her segment. I came out now and I listened to it for myself. And the way I was behaving, I thought that she was doing it into a hostile way where me have to class her up. But when I went
you alone can class myself, people. That's why when you get back class up, you have to just hold it.
She wasn't being so
I know, so Anna, you alone can class people, and you alone can cuss and talk and trace and cuss bad word. It's just that people choose not to.
So now me listening for myself now, my attitude is changed towards her.
Anyway, my people, speak my mind, people. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. And remember, please to watch the ads. And go give the backup channel a subscription. Life is a Mission TV. You understand? Link pinned in the description and in the comment section. Just hit the link and subscribe to the channel. Family oriented channel. Thanks for watching again. Another video of these unscrupulous people. I'm out.